people tend to make the mistake and think that a small business that, let's say, serves a 10-mile radius, a restaurant or a small local retailer. We're not talking about like, an international or national retail chain like a Home Depot. It's a whole different world. But a small business, you're a trucking company, you're a florist, you're tree removal, you're a gardener, whatever it may be, right? You're a restaurant. You could do very, very well because Google and Facebook and all digital advertising platforms allow you to target your ads very specifically. So let's talk about Facebook for a second. If you're advertising on Facebook, you could be running a promotion, right? Bring in this coupon code for 10% off or a free muffin with your coffee, or a free, your first 2 lawn mowing sessions of the year for free of the season, whatever it may be. You're running a promotion. People love promotions. And you could target those ads